Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's going to be a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. So far, I'm enjoying the 12 flannels of Christmas, my new holiday tradition. And I'm going to be doing day 5. Where's it at? I better do it here for the thumbnail. Anyway, here we go. Day 5. Oh, the box is coming apart at the top. I was trying to keep the box pristine. Oh, well. Oh. Whatever shall we have today? Well, let me try to set that down here. Wow, look at this one. Oh, there's even more. That'll be an enjoyable read later. Déjà Fougère. I feel like I've done this before. I think that the label here is kind of doing a spin on Deja Vu, but with a Fougère scent. My mind is trying to put all these scents together, and I can't pick out any particular note. That's how well blended this is. This is a ghost of the shaving past. Originally released back in 2014. That was before my wet shaving time. So the top notes on here is lavender, pineapple, bergamot, oak, sage. Middle notes, geranium, heliotrope, rose, I don't know, some words that I don't know. Base notes, oakmoss, tobacco, tonka, dark musk, vanilla, and hay. I don't pick up any musk. Definitely no hay. The rose. You know, I better get this lathered up, and then I'll be able to tell you more. Got that lathered up in the old Captain's Choice copper bowl. 1/4 teaspoon and 14 mils of water. I'm using this solar flare. I forgot the name of it. This is one of the ones that I replaced the synthetic knot and put a badger knot in there. Had to kick my wife out of the bathroom here. She was wanting to get ready. We got some stuff we're gonna go do today. And as I was whipping up this lather, I took a little bit of that and put it on the back of my hand. All right, so I let her smell it. Today's razor and blade is gonna be this Dovo Encina. It's got this nice little laser etched pattern on the top. Good old Spanish oak handle. 5/8 blade. Not 5/8, 6/8 blade. I was thinking about whether this was stainless steel or carbon. I can't remember. Anyway, let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. It's hard to get this camera for you guys. And for me to still be able to see. Put a nice, lovely edge on it this morning. And it is mowing through my 1 day's worth of stubble with no problem. Anyway, the scent on this, somewhere in the little literature, it says something in there about the mystery of the area that Douglas had went to. When he created this scent. And he said that area kind of gave him a Scooby-Doo kind of vibe. And for me, that's kind of where this scent comes to me. It's really a mystery. I can't really pick out any particular scent notes. I will say it's kind of a warm, sweet scent. My wife, on the other hand, she said it smells like a sophisticated older gentleman, and she wasn't real excited about the scent. But for me, I like it. I kind of feel like, just off the top of my head, it kind of falls into that Hotel Cecil. But that's just me, that's my opinion. I could be really far off. And my stomach says I'm hungry. I'd have to agree with it because I'm getting hungry. Got a spot somewhere in here I need to watch out for, but I'm not going to be able to watch out for it. Had one of those pesky ingrown hairs. And sometimes those pop up unannounced. All right, let's get going with pass number 2 across the grain. I'm kind of interested in this scent to see how it dries down. And I know in the past, excuse me, I have let my wife smell a scent off the puck or off the tub or the splash or whatever. And sometimes she's like, nah. And then the crazy thing is, a week or 2 later, when I'm wearing it again and again, and then like maybe sometimes the 3rd or 4th time, in between then, I'm switching up different scents. And then I come out, I'm like, she's going to hate me because I have this scent. And then she smells it and she's like, wow, that's really good. What one is that? And I'm like, it's one of the ones you said you don't like. So, that's where I think sometimes the nose or the senses in the nose gets a little shock because they're like, I don't know, I haven't smelled this, and they just don't know. So it just defaults to, this is strange and different, and then it forms an opinion that you don't like it. But if you revisit that scent a few different times, your nose begins to kind of accommodate that scent, and it becomes familiar. And so then you begin to enjoy it, or at least that's been my experience. So don't knock a soap right off the bat or a scent. If you don't like it right off the bat, I say hang on to it, try it a little bit, go from there. So far, still everything's going well with the Advent calendar. I've been impressed with all the different scents, and I continue looking forward to what the calendar has in store for me. And I am noticing that this particular edge, it seems a lot more tinny or tinny, but it's actually very smooth. Every man's bragging rights is, my stubble is so tough, it's the coarsest out there. It's like the hair on the back of a grizzly. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. Be right back. Well, that was nice. No weepers, gushers, bleeders, nicks, all that good stuff. Ooh. Didn't even get that little pesky spot, which was nice. Follow that up with some star jelly. Star jelly is the bomb. All right, I will put a picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you on tomorrow's shave. You have a great rest of your day.